be checking out this 2-in-1 cordless hedge trimmer that was sent to me by the brand. Go ahead and do a little unboxing before I put it all together and show you how it works outside. So it comes in this nice big box here, easy to transport, which is really nice. Show you everything that comes in here real quickly. So it looks like you have a nice little charger to plug into the battery packs. It does offer 2 of these battery packs, which is really nice. And here is going to be what it looks like. Let me go ahead and take it out of this little plastic wrap. And it does have the blade cover. So this is going to be the short blade if you want to try to cut some grass. Show you a little close-up view. Give you a little 360. So this little short blade here is going to measure about 2.7 inches out. So pretty small. Also comes with a nice larger blade that's going to be about 8.9 inches. And that's going to be in here. So it is covered. I'll just leave it covered until I actually show you how to use it outside. And then it comes with 2 of these rechargeable batteries, which is really nice. So that way one of them dies, you don't have to worry about charging it in between use. You can just pull the second battery out and easily be able to use this. So I'll go ahead, set it all up, show you what it looks like outside, and let's see how good it works. I went ahead and already got this thing set up, as you can see. Show you a quick 360 view when it's all put together. I do have the short blade on here right now. I'll show you the longer one in just a second. Just want to show you what this one looks like. And if you want to adjust the angle, you can go ahead and hold down both sides right here and be able to bend it back and forth, which is pretty nice. I have mine set all the way that way. And then when you're ready to use it, you're going to hold down this little handle right here, and there is a button on this side, so you get to hold them both down at the same time. The battery's down here as well. So I'll go ahead and hold it down and show you what it looks like. This is supposed to be meant for cutting little blades of grass. You can see it's cutting right through that grass, so it really is working really nicely. And then when you're ready to change the blade, they do have 2 little buttons on the sides here, so you're going to go ahead and push those down, pull it out. Make sure you take that battery out first. So I would take the battery out, you just slide out like that. Also comes with a replacement one, as I said earlier. So I'll go ahead, swap this up, show you what it looks like when I'm trying to cut some hedges out. Go ahead and install that 9-inch blade. Also comes with a nice little grass guard too that you can go ahead and screw in at the top there, so you don't have to worry about that grass flying this way. Go ahead and see if it does cut through these little hedges. So as you can see, it does work really well. It's cutting through these branches really quickly here. So if you're looking for something like this to cut those hedges or something maybe to cut some grass in your yard, definitely recommend checking this out.